everyone, thanks for stopping by the channel. I'm back up here at Moonshine Harley Davidson with the manager for Motor Clothes, Kara, back by popular demand. You guys love it when she brings a little bit of safety tips to this channel. Part of the theme with having Kara on the channel. That was hard to get out as well.
Safety first.
Yes, safety first. So today, what do you have for us, Kara?
Today, I want to bring you some just basic riding gear. Again, is our FXRG riding gloves. It's a great glove, especially for the weather that we are currently having. Tennessee, she's a fickle little, and she's undecided on how she wants to behave. So this one is a great glove that we do offer in store. Some key features is it has the pre-45 degree curve in it, great for gripping your grips. It also has the touch text, so if you have your phone mounted, easy touch screen, or if you have a touch screen on your bike, you are able to navigate with the touch screen. It's also perforated, so it has great airflow, like I said, for weather like this. It also has the cool core feature, so whenever you're riding down, your hands aren't going to sweat or anything like that. So this is another great one. It also has the knuckles, so if anything happens and you go down, because mostly whenever something like that happens, you do land straight on your knuckles, this does have the knuckle guard on it. And sizing. We always tell customers the best way to get a true fit is to actually come in and try it on. You want to really feel how it is, especially with the knuckles. You want to make sure everything's in its proper position.
Yeah, and I think that's a fantastic way to, because there are a lot of different gloves out there that you, like me, I'm between sizes and everything.
Yeah.
So in some jackets, some vests, I'm a medium and some I'm a large. Same thing with gloves. Some I'm a medium and some I'm a large. So come in, see Kara or one of her people that she has here in Motor Clothes. Try these gloves on, and who knows, while you're in looking at gloves, you may see a jacket that you like, or a vest that you like, or a shirt or something like that.
Yeah. Ryan, you brought up a key point about sizing, and that's one thing my girls and I do ensure. We go over fits, whether it's a helmet, gloves, jacket. We want you to be comfortable on your ride, because if you're not comfortable on your ride, you're not going to enjoy it. So we always tell people, come in, walk around in your jacket, walk around in the helmet, see if it's a true match for you, because nobody is the same. Your ride is going to be different than my ride. Yes, and come in and see myself or one of my girls, and we will walk you through sizing, ensure that you have the best ride that you can have.
That's so awesome. Thank you so much, Kara. One of the things that you forgot on this glove, also this protective knuckle thing right here, if your buddy starts mouthing off to you, you just whack them in the face. If you have not already, hit that like button. Please do not forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next episode. Thanks for watching, everyone. Look, I've got...
Oh, stall.